This is the 9.7-inch Android Carplay system from Land Rover Touchscreen. Auto GPS navigation stereo 4G touchscreen, Bluetooth BT music Wi-Fi video DSP. Auto GPS navigation stereo 4G touchscreen, Bluetooth BT music Wi-Fi video DSP. Fit for Land Rover Freelander 2. Large memory ensures that the navigator has enough storage space and faster running speed. Support Wi-Fi 5G GPS navigation and more application downloads. Professional DSP digital sound effects. HD reversing video, support ADS DVR, 360° panoramic camera, all kinds of abnormal alarms.